Hey guys, ClayRepairs here. Today we'll be installing these Nerf bars on this Yamaha Warrior. This Tusk kit from Rocky Mountain includes both sides, the webbing for in between, crossbar that bridges the gap, and some nuts and bolts. We'll start with the left side here. First thing to do is take off these two bolts holding on the foot pegs if you have a stock guard right here like I do. To install this, we're going to have to take off these two little bolts right up underneath here, right there, and there's one on the other side too. I'm going to slip this metal bar behind here and put these two bolts in there that came with the kit. I want to note the orientation of this. I had it going in this way, with the tab sticking out this direction, but it's actually supposed to go this way, and it was binding up on me. So that's a quick tip so that doesn't happen to you. Nerf bars installed. Now I'm going to lace the webbing through the holes. First step is to put it straight through the top hole, out the bottom hole, and then back up through the middle hole, and out the top hole. That will ensure that it doesn't come out while you're riding. I'll go ahead and do this to all the straps. Okay guys, and with that, we're done. Throw a like down below if this helped you and subscribe so you don't miss a video.